What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Go ahead and subscribe if you're new. Make sure you like this video because you know you about to run the markets up this week, man. For this video, it's a simple strategy on finding your entries, where your take profit should be, and where your stop loss should be, right? Fairly simple. I'll show you exactly how to break this down. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So let's jump straight into it. Nice, quick, simple. How to find your stop loss, how to find your TP. I'm gonna try to make this as quick and as simple as possible. So first, I'm looking at GJ. This is my pair. You can choose whatever pair you want. I'm gonna start on the daily, right? What's going on? We're bullish, right? Clearly. All right, so I want to be looking for buys right now. What I'm gonna do is go to the hour chart, right? Now what I'm gonna do is, instead of candles, right, let's go ahead and throw our line chart on there, right? Boom. Now what I'm looking for next is, so you see I have my crosshair, right? I'm pretty much looking for indecision zones. And what does an indecision zone look like? If I draw a support or resistance, right, this is what the lines are doing. Boom, 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 touch, boom, touch, boom, touch. So you're looking for that one support or resistance to be touched multiple times on both sides, right? Now what does that look like on the chart, right? So let me go ahead and do that for you. So pretty much when you choose to do a line chart, right, it makes it a little more clear for you so you don't see all of those wicks. So boom, as I just explained to you, right, we have a touch here, we have a touch here, a little breakthrough. And if we look in the past, right, which we don't need to, but okay, whatever. But for the sake of what I'm trying to explain to you, let me go to the 4 hour, right? So in the past, it's the same thing. Touch at the bottom, touch at the top, touch at the bottom, right? All right, let's get back to where we need to be, right? So again, this is on the hour time frame. Now you want to find as many of these as possible, right? So boom, what do we have here? Touch here, touch here, and it can move sideways as well. So as you see, like, it came up and over, that still counts, right? So let's just find as many as we can. Here's another example of it moving sideways, right? Touch here. All right, let's find as many as we can, right? Boom. And you want to keep it to where price is relative, right? Where price currently is. So let's look for another one. Up here, touch here, came down, is moving sideways, right? Now what does this look like once we go back to our candlesticks, right? We have touches of these wicks, right? Now again, as stated at the beginning, I'm looking for buys because we're in a bullish market. So now that I have these marked up, right, let's go ahead and go down to the 15-minute chart. Where is price currently? Price is at 153.02, right? So now if I'm looking to buy, right, I have these little lines marked up, right? These are important areas, clearly. So if I'm looking to go long, right, I can target either A, right, which is extremely small, 4 pips, so you don't want to target there. Pretty much the next major candle, or I'm sorry, indecision zone. Where do I want to put my stop loss? right below this one, right? Now, there's things called price action, right? So I wouldn't take this trade immediately because this candle isn't finished closing. I mean, the markets are closed now, so when it opens, this candle will open in this area. But that's how you want to mark your stop loss, using these indecision zones, using this indecision zones to find your take profit as well. Let's look in the past, right? Let's say, for instance, I'm taking shorts, right? Boom. And I enter over here, right? We clearly have a level up here, right, of resistance. So what can I do, right? If I entered on this one bullish candle, right, that broke below this indecision zone, I could put my stop at 5 pips, right? Let me use the crosshairs. Right where these little mini resistance was formed, right? Boom. And where can I target? I could target this next indecision zone, right? Or I could target the next one, right, for 10 pips, 1 to 2 risk the reward. I could target the next one for 20 pips. Simple as that. These indecision zones are going to be your targets, right? My stop loss, literally, you clearly see a little area of resistance right here. So let me put my stops right above it. Boom, simple as that. Let's check out some other ones, right? Soon as we broke above this indecision level, right, and our candle opened above, we're taking a buy here, right? So boom, taking a buy on this candle. My target is gonna be this next indecision level for 18 pips, right? Where's my stop loss? Well, I could put my stop loss right under these 2 previous candles. Again, I'm on the 15-minute time frame, right? So if this was to come back down, right, it would become a bearish candle. It would now be a red candle, so I would get stopped out, right? And then potentially we know it's not respecting this indecision level, and we could look to target another indecision level, right? And it's that simple. That simple. No need to make it complicated. This is how you can find, just quick and easy, right, little support and resistance. This is more so scalping, right? This is more so scalping. This isn't something you want to take on an hourly, right? Because if you do that, you know, the hour didn't even finish, so that could have easily just flipped on you, right? So that's why I said you find these indecision levels on the hour, take your entry on the 15-minute, right? And it's as simple as that. That's how you find a quick and easy stop loss and a quick and easy take profit. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm frozen. Make sure to go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys with another one.